And we're back. So super D, I've rebooted, VMware is installed, have already something ready, but right, this one I want to start up the guest operating system. Need to figure out how I will make myself a full screen. So this is show thumbnail, this is enter full screen. Is there a key binding to it as well? Let's boot that up. There's the right control. No. Control Alt. Control Alt gives me this, the library. Oh, good to know. No, it's gone. Control Alt. Nope, nope. But I have my mouse again with Control Alt. Click in here. It goes automatically out of it, so I'm free. This one can be pinned or not pinned. So now it's like this. Maybe better. And this is what we get, right? If we switch Cinnamon with something else, we did not change the Calamares configuration. Calamares will assume that you'll have Cinnamon, right? And no, it is not. It is Plasma. You can choose between choices here, Wayland and X11. It's SDM, yeah, sure, but live user wants a password, and what is the password? Nothing, just enter. Click first inside VMware and then enter. And then you get the default Plasma. There's no setting at all. It's just 6 letters, Plasma, and Arch knows what to do with it, right? Let's see if we can make this a full screen. This is not full screen. Control F is in VirtualBox. And here we have a button like this. Wait for it. It got bigger. And there you go. You got yourself a big screen. This we can remove. Install the system, which is launching Calamares. And off we go. Normal procedure. Getting stuff done. Belgian, sure. Erase disk. I've done this one, I've done that one, I've done this one, so let's do that one, JFS, and use swap no hibernate. Next. Voila. And now it goes. And let's just pause the video. We wait for this here. And if we see all the numbers come up, these guys, voila. Then we pause the video. And it's just now waiting till everything is installed. And then we'll reboot and Calamares won't be there anymore, but of course Plasma will. Let's pause. And there it is, right? Restart, done. And then again, right, it's fun to do this in VMware, but you shouldn't really. Use the full potential of your system, all the CPU, all the memory. It is a pass-through. But it gives you an idea, will I install this on a real metal thing, right? So always think, if you say, oh, this is slow. Nah, it's not slow, right? It's just sharing your stuff, your CPU, your memory and all that. So Control Alt seems to be the keep combo. To get up here, wait for it, go back down, and there you go. And then you explore, right? You explore, you have fun with Plasma. Remember, if things look strange at some point in time, there is Wayland and there's X11, right? It's either ready or it's not, and it's up to you to decide if it's ready for you, because some applications won't work on Wayland and others will. So it is trial and error for your hardware as well. So have a look around. If you want to go for a Windows look, a stone look, add a light, utterly Nord. Voila. Let's just play around. Just a quick check how much fun it is, right? There's really tons and tons of themes. I can keep on scrolling, but now it's working, of course. And in the end, we get something here. And we'll have a new look, a new design. So global theme actually means it's global, right? Icons, cursors, wallpapers, anything goes. Whatever they do, they put in there, of course. So follow the download numbering, or follow the ratings or something, or just the latest, the newest guys. So whatever you want to have. There, yeah, you got your password. It's gonna install stuff, and now we have utterly Nord. We're gonna use this one or this one as well, the desktop and the window layout. Choose, try, breaks, fine, no problem. That's not a good one, then you take another one, right? So he has better here or maybe here. Just keep pressing, click, left click, and it's just 2 seconds. I don't know, 1, 2 seconds, and then you can sometimes change some things, configure analog clock, some stuff you can use, show time zone, whatever, right? That's the widget. Have some fun with it. This looks actually nice for me, right? It's just a choice. There are so many choices with this wallpaper. It actually looks nice. Sound is off. Maybe the sound still needs to be installed. So pipe, wire, or pulse audio, 2 things to look for: Arch, Wiki, pulse audio, Arch, Wiki, or sound. And I'll tell you, okay, there are 2 things, and you need to install it if you want it, of course. Bluetooth, printers, all that is up to you to see how will it work on my hardware, will it work on my hardware, and how to set everything. All on the Arch Wiki. Enjoy. Now getting out again, Ctrl Alt, yes, and then stop. Cheers.